Hey guys, today I want to give you a quick kind of back and forth on my thoughts of two different WOLFBOX portable blowers. This is the WOLFBOX 200 and this is the WOLFBOX 60. So both of these do the same thing. They're portable air dusters. You can use them to dust your keyboard, start fires. That's what this one's primarily for. You can see it's pretty dirty. You can do a ton of different things with these, and they really are kind of the new hit, and WOLFBOX makes some of the best ones. So let's take a top-down look here, and I'll show you the size difference between the two. So obviously, the WOLFBOX MegaFlow 200 is a lot bigger than the MegaFlow 60, but that doesn't mean it's necessarily better, because if the speeds are comparable, this one's obviously a lot smaller and is going to be easier to kind of carry around with you. Now, I will say one area where the WOLFBOX MegaFlow 200 is the winner is that you can drop the magazine in it, the battery, just like that. And I actually have a backup right here that you can just boom, stick in here, assuming you got it right. I had it wrong. And now you're ready to go with another battery. So that's pretty sweet. As far as I know, on the MegaFlow 60, that is not an option. It's just one battery that you charge via USB-C. Let's do a speed test. So I've got a little fan device right here. We will turn this on and just hit a quick test with both of these. This one has charge, so right here, we'll get it on camera, and let's do it from about this far away. Make sure that you can see the numbers there. There we go. So that was about 4,200. That's pretty good. And now we'll try this one. Got up to about 3,100, but earlier I was able to get this to 3,300. So this one is about 20% faster in terms of fan speed, the 200, but that's to be expected. It's also a lot more expensive. So if you guys are interested in these, I personally really like them. WOLFBOX did send both of these over, but I have been a big fan of their products, especially like the car starters and that sort of thing. So we'll have links to both of these down below. Let me know which one is your favorite, guys.